Hello, fellow travel enthusiasts! If you've ever dreamed of turning your passion for travel into a lucrative opportunity, we have something special for you today. Join our exclusive travel affiliate program and embark on an exciting journey of earning while you explore the world. Join this program to leverage the fastest and most profitable businesses that allow you to make money without providing customer service, and you don't have to start from scratch. Your travel affiliate program website instantly loads 700,000 plus hotels, 4,000 airlines, 40,000 plus top places to visit, rental cars, and vacation packages. Everything is automatically embedded within the branded website. Get ready! This video is the most important video you will watch today. Watch on to discover how you can travel the world and make money. When you join, your travel affiliate program branded website allows you to make money in your sleep. Yes, I said, in your sleep, and will enable you to achieve financial freedom, travel the world, and build wealth goals. Since 2010, we have created joint venture partnerships with many companies and people that have helped transform the lives of many people. So, we value you. As a valued partner, we want to offer you a chance to join our travel affiliate program. This program, among other things, pays out over $10K to $325K per month to our affiliate partners. Yes, I said per month. I know it is hard to believe, but it's true. Let me show you the money. If you book a family trip for $3,000, the commission ranges from 8% to 10%, so you receive 50% of that commission, which is $150 per booking. Traveling at least 3 times a year will save $450 by getting back the commissions, and take advantage of the discounts of $450 or greater by booking your travel on the branded website. Travel more! Save more! If 10 of your family and friends book the same or a similar trip, you will make $1,500 for those 10 trips. If you post online and 100 people book the same or similar vacation, you will receive $15,000, all after they complete their vacation. Share more, make more. If 1,000 people online book travel on your website, you will make $150,000, and that can be made in as little as 1 day to 1 month. You have the opportunity to make unlimited amounts of money in a short period of time. You're asking yourself, how can we pay out so much money? Travel companies, Expedia, Orbitz, Hotwire, Priceline, and more have already set aside money for marketing that you pay inside your booking price. If you book directly with them, they keep this money. If you book with a travel agency, the big travel corporations pay those marketing dollars to a travel agent agency through commissions. At MakeMoneyBookingTravel.com and Personalized Services International Travel Agency, when you join our travel affiliate program, we pay you 50% of the commissions they pay. We share the wealth with you in our affiliate travel program. Our mission is to help more people make money and travel the world. Make money in a one-of-a-kind travel program. Get set! You make money when you book travel from the semi-custom website branded for you. You book your family's trip and make a 50% commission on the amount paid out via that booking. You make money from your family, friends, and social media group booking on the branded affiliate website. You make money from the general public booking travel on the branded affiliate website via sharing the website online and posting it on social media. Benefits afforded to you when you join this program. Low startup cost for this travel affiliate program. One-time cost. This is a win-win affiliate program. A. No monthly fees. B. No yearly agent fees. C. No heavy lifting for the administration of the website. We do the work for you. D. No hosting fees for the website. E. No domain renewal fees. F. There is no recruitment of others. This is not an MLM or network marketing program. However, we greatly appreciate you referring others to our travel affiliate program and company. Let's go! Are you ready to get started? Payment options. We have payment options allowing you to pay for this program in increments pay under the Buy Now, Pay Over Time via PayPal and internal to our parent company, Personalized Services International Travel Agency. You can be approved to extend the monthly payments for 6, 12, and 18 months. This will decrease your upfront out-of-pocket cost to start this program. This is one of the wows that we offer our clients. If you select the Pay Over Time option, please contact our office to discuss it. Direct financing with us does require a 50% deposit and a signed agreement. Additionally, payment funding can be obtained on the website page, www.makemoneybookingtravel.com. Funding loans. This is a straightforward process, and there is no hard inquiry on your credit file to get pre-qualified for a loan. Loan rates as low as 0% for 18 months. You can use this service for loans from $5K up to $100K. This service can be used to fund business and personal loans. The price of this program has increased since we opened it 3 years ago. Our team works hard to launch your website within 3 to 10 business days, so the sooner you join, the quicker you start making money. The first to join this program, yes, your website goes into production first. Step 1. Joining our travel affiliate program is simple. Visit our website and pay for the program MakeMoneyBookTravel.com. Make money in your sleep. Once you make your purchase, you will receive the program guidelines. Step 2. Then, complete an application online at MakeMoneyBookingTravel.com, Travel Affiliate Programs form, and you'll be on your way to earning commissions in no time. Step 3. Fill out a W-9 form at www.MakeMoneyBookingTravel.com W-9 form. After you have completed the application, we will do the rest. Step 4. Book travel on your website and start making money. I guarantee you will make money on your first booking. Sign up today. Visit MakeMoneyBookingTravel.com.